False. Smartphones are part of our life now, be it Android or iPhone, and we use them to capture our memories like photos and videos. But there are many scenarios where we may lose our data due to hard reset, virus attack, OS crash, accidental deletion, or someone else deletes them by mistake. Well, in this situation we will surely try to recover data, but then question comes to mind, how can I recover deleted data from Android phone and how Android data recovery works? Well, that's exactly what I'm going to share with you all in this video. Watch the video full and follow the steps by downloading Android data recovery software from the links in description and pin comment to recover deleted data from Android phone without backup or root. Hey folks, myself from W Originals back with another data recovery tutorial, and today I wanna show you all how to recover deleted data from Android phone without root or without backup. First, whenever we delete data like photos and videos from Android phone, they are first moved to recently deleted. Almost all new Android phones have this feature now. So if you have deleted your data by mistake, first look in recently deleted, and if found, you can recover deleted files from Android phone without any app or PC for free. But if images and videos are not found as they are permanently deleted after 30 days, well, in this situation you will require a professional Android data recovery software, and here I recommend FonePaw Android Data Recovery. FonePaw Data Recovery is an easy to use and efficient data recovery software that can recover more than 100 plus file types like text messages, photos, videos, contacts, music, WhatsApp, audio, call logs, and much more from Android devices. The best thing is that no matter how you have lost your Android data, FonePaw can let you recover deleted files from Android phone without backup or root. It is also compatible with latest Android and supports Samsung, Vivo, Xiaomi, Realme, OnePlus, Sony, LG, HTC, Motorola, Google Phone Pixel Android devices as well. Simply follow 3 simple steps to recover deleted data from Android devices using FonePaw. Wow, that seems really easy. Let's give it a try, and for that follow the links in description and pin comment to visit this official website. Now click on free download. It starts downloading, and once FonePaw Android data recovery software free download completes, click on it to start with installation process. Follow the steps to complete installation, and once done, here we have FonePaw Android data recovery software. So now let's know how to use FonePaw Android data recovery software to recover deleted data from Samsung phone. And for that, here we are back on FonePaw Android data recovery software. Now we need to connect our Android phone with computer via USB. Once the Android phone is connected, FonePaw will ask us to enable USB debugging. Follow the steps to enable USB debugging. Open settings and then scroll down to about phone. Tap to open it. Here tap on software information and then tap 7 times on build number to enable developer mode. Now go back and you will see developer options. Tap on to open it. Now scroll down and here we have USB debugging. Toggle this on. Here comes a pop-up allow USB debugging. Tap on OK. Next we will get a allow USB debugging authorization window. Check this and tap on allow. Once connected, here we have option to select the type of data we want to recover. Here we have contacts and messages with which we can recover contacts, messages, call logs, WhatsApp and WhatsApp attachments. Next we have media, which allows us to recover gallery, picture library, videos, audio and documents. As we are looking to recover deleted videos and photos, let's uncheck this. Now click on next. After this, FonePaw will start checking device information. Checking device information completed. Getting ready for scanning device. Now this will install FonePaw Assistant app on Samsung Android phone and will require us to give some permissions to access data. Tap on allow to give permissions. As we give permissions, here it shows success in connection. Once done, it starts scanning for deleted data, and within few seconds scanning gets completed. Here we can check for images from picture library, gallery, videos, audio and documents. Now what if your data was not found after quick scan? Well, you need not to worry, as FonePaw also comes with deep scan. But first, it may take some time and may also require you to root your Android phone. But in most instances, you should be able to recover your deleted data from Android phone after quick scan itself. Let's try and recover data from Samsung phone. Selected the data I want to recover and then clicked on recover. Next, we need to select location where we want to save recovered data. Selected desktop. Now click on recover. It starts recovering, and once Android data recovery completes, it opens up the folder containing our recovered data. Here in gallery we have the images recovered. Let's check them out. See, these are fully recovered and are in their original sizes. We also have videos. Let's open it. Wow, is not this fantastic? The video is fully recovered and there is no loss in video quality. This is just awesome work from FonePaw. So easy and effortless. Now you may ask, is FonePaw Android data recovery software free and safe to use? Well, it is 100% safe and offers a high success rate. The best part, we can scan and preview data for free, but to save recovered data, we will require plans. So now let's talk about FonePaw Android data recovery software pricing plans, and for that, here we are back on official website. Now click on buy now. Here we have different pricing plans that you can choose as per your requirement. First, I will highly recommend you to try out FonePaw Android data recovery software if you are looking to restore deleted data from Android without root or backup, and if you want to, find the links in description and pin comment. Also, you can watch a step-by-step tutorial to know how to recover deleted data from iPhone using FonePaw iPhone data recovery software, and you can also watch a step-by-step tutorial to know how to recover deleted data from Windows using FonePaw data recovery. That's what I had for today. Hope you find this useful. If yes, don't forget to like this video. Also share your views and feedback in comments, and if you are new to development originals, don't forget to subscribe for more useful content like this and hit bell icon to get notified when I post new videos. And if you want to watch videos in Hindi, do subscribe to my channel Tech Akhil. Thanks for watching. See you all in the next video. Got a second-hand iPhone that is updated to latest iOS 16.3 update and is stuck on iPhone lock to owner. Now you are looking to bypass iCloud activation lock. How can I recover deleted data from iPhone? Well, that's exactly what I'm going to share with you all in this video.